Okay, so yeah. So it's Canada Day today. And I'm in the dark. Not for long. Okay, so yeah, it's Canada Day today. Now, the one thing I don't like about working for an American company is that I still have to work on Canadian holidays. I still get paid holiday pay, but I still have to work because in America, there is no holiday unless it's one of those shared holidays. And then, yeah, then that's different. But yeah, Canada Day, I have to work. July 4th, I'm off. Makes no sense. And because it's Canada Day, I can wear this hat with pride. Yeah. I have a headache. That's why I'm like moving a little slower today. But anyway, I just need to fill up my tank on my vape and then hit the road and go home. Oh wait, I am home. Hit the road and go to work. That's what I meant. Yeah. See, I'm not really thinking straight because of my headache. Hopefully I can rectify that sometime today. Yeah. So, since it is Canada Day, and there will be fireworks later on tonight, and I do want to get those in the vlog, I'm going to shut up now and wait until it's time to go to the fireworks to come back to vlog, because I don't want to waste a whole bunch of time before the fireworks, because my analytics show that people only watch the first couple minutes of my vlogs. So if I get right to the fireworks, people will actually watch them. All right. So we're on our way to the bridge. It is dark outside and the fireworks are about to start, and I didn't have time to go home and grab my tripod, so I'm going to apologize in advance if the camera's a bit shaky. Okay. I really thought that would turn out a little bit better, but that was the fireworks. It was like 15 minutes long. I did the time lapse, and sorry about the speed of it. I watched it afterwards and figured, it's not what I thought it would turn out to be, but there you go. That's the Canada Day fireworks for this year. Hopefully next year I can do something a little better.
Hi.
Hi. But anyway, we're going to head out to Sev, and I don't know. Be back later to finish off the vlog downstairs in Underland. All right. So I know those time-lapse video, the time-lapse of the fireworks was a little fast, but there is a way around it, and I actually went on the last vlog that I had time lapse in. If you go to the settings down below, like right around here or whatever, click on the settings, bring it up, go to the speed, and go all the way up to the top, 0.25. Click on that, and it'll slow them down to about the regular speed. So if you want to watch them in their regular speed or close to the regular speed, might be a little fast, but still closer to the regular speed than what it is now. You go there, you do that, and then there you go. You just go back. Yeah. So yeah, so there you go. Happy Canada Day if you're, if you're Canadian. If not, I don't know. But that's the weird thing though. I had to work today, but I'm not working on the 4th of July because it's an American company, American holidays, we have off. Or we have to work holiday hours, depending on what holiday it is. July 4th is a holiday. So, a day off. Do whatever I want. I might go out and do something. Who knows? But anyway, join me tomorrow for a brand new vlog just for you.